Hi everyone, today we're going to do a snowman blizzard look. I'm going to do my eyes and my lips with this Louise base in the color Touch of Frost. Don't worry about the mess, you can always clean it up after. We just want to get it on there, and I use a makeup fan to dry it. I'm going to use Unusual for the outer part of my mouth and my eyes, and then I'm going to use Eagle for the inner part of my mouth and the inner corner of my eyes, as well as on my face. When you're putting this color on, it's very fine. You need to pack it on with a flat brush and then go in with a blending brush. Now I'm doing the white. Put some base streaks on my face and I'm going over it with white. The Snowman is water activated liner. Crap, I still forgot to film. So all I did was make wisp. And I got this. Smooshed it around. Okay, now I gotta get a pointy thing and make dots all over. So now, after putting layers of the water activated liner over my form of a snowman, I use the Eagle, the white eyeshadow, to just fluff onto the top. It's kind of like a setting powder, if you will, and then all over the part of my face where the frost is supposed to be rising to the top and billowing on the bottom of the snowman. And then bam, there you have it, magic snowman. I did add some glitter on the lips. It was from the same palette, and the glitter is called Catalyst. Thank you so much for watching.